Hey guys, as you know, I'm the scholar for Codeavour 6.2. Today I'm going to tell you how to register for Codeavour 6.2 International. You will get the same link, blog link in the description. So let's start. First, you need to visit the Codeavour 6.2 International official website. I will give you the link in the description box. After visiting here, you need to click register now button, which is here, as you can see. You will get the links for all the things in the description box. After clicking on register now button, you will get these three columns: email address, team name, and password, and country. You need to here enter your country here. And after entering country, city, and zip code, then select your team size: one, two, three, anything. And maximum three members can be there. And and if you want to, if your team member is one team member is of 14 years and you are of 11 years, then you will take the team size of the greatest team member who is the eldest. Then you need to fill your personal information like date of birth, parents contact number, full name, gender, and passport size photo. After it, select your age group. As I told you, if you are in two or three, then if you will be the who is your in team, the oldest person, their age group will be here. If he is of 14 years and you are of 10 years, then you will be in junior group. And if you are of 14 years, then and he is of 18 years, then his age group will be there in senior. Select track 2 or track 1. Track 2 you need to make climate action challenge, and in track 1 you need, as you know, you need to make robots with using pictoblocks. And after it, track 1 is under track 1 note. Track 1 is held in both online and offline mode, but the track 1 is only hosted in some countries. It is in India available, so you can check here selecting your country. We are actively adding countries for both tracks. Keep checking the official website for updates. And you can click here also. I will give you the link of both track 1 and track 2 details in the description box. Then fill your mentor information. Mentor name, who is under you. And if your mentor is not there, then you can fill your parents information here. But if you are participating via school, so then if you are participating under your teacher, robotics teacher, then you need to fill her or his information here, or your parents you can fill also, any mother or father. Then check your order in summary and billing. Then you need to pay amount of 2000 rupees as entry fees. And after entering here, if you have a scholarship code, then you can click here to enter the code. And after it, you need to pay. You can pay from here, and you can use privacy policy. You can also read. You can pay by anything: credit card, debit card, or PayPal. And after payment it will be successful, then you will have this page, my dashboard. So this is pop-up will not come because if you have not completed the payment, then also your dashboard will open, but this column will be blank: submit project and my projects. First you need to click your tickets to regional, then you will be once more redirected to your payment page. And after it, scroll down, you will see team details, partner information, view profile. And after it, having completed the above process, you are now officially part of Codeavour. Prepare and competition, maybe into free learning resources and online bootcamps, complete the winning process. And the most exciting thing, the prize is worth more than $25,000. It is a huge amount.